Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you can watch me clean my room, which is very disarrayed because it was used as like a storage space while I was in college. But now that I'm back, I want to clean it up and make it more comfortable for myself for like a month before I go back to school. But I'd say it was worth it, and I also went through stuff and got rid of stuff. So anyways, enjoy! Okay, so here's a time lapse of me cleaning up my desk area. It was a lot of stuff. Like, I don't know why this clip took the longest, because I think it's because I like reorganized that cabinet thing you see. As you can see, like, there was a lot of random books, and I literally actually flipped through all of them, and here am I going through my sketchbooks. So yeah, it's a lot of stuff. And also, this is like an impressionist style watercolor painting I did of a tree I saw outside of the art building last semester. Yeah, it was really cool. And here I am picking up a lot of trash. And yeah, this is the finished desk. It's not perfect, but it'll do for the rest of the month. And here is, I didn't film myself like refolding everything, but I just refolded stuff to make it neater because I literally had stuff piled up. And it was getting kind of hard to find things, but now the way it's organized, it's so easy. So I'm definitely going to keep this format when I go to my dorm in college, so. So here I went through some of the like stuff I had saved to pack for when I moved back into college, and also that box is full of winter clothes, but a lot of the winter clothes I just wanted to go through it again and give away some stuff that didn't fit, cause yeah, I have to admit I did go a size up in my pants, and it's normal because as a woman your weight just fluctuates like that at this age, so completely normal. If you're also going through this, don't feel bad about yourself. It's completely normal, like any doctor will tell you, any woman should tell you, any good woman will tell you that. But yeah, I did try on some pants, and whatever didn't fit, I gave it away, and no big deal. And yeah, here I am refolding it to make it fit, and I had to sit on it because it was just too much. And yeah, I'm putting some giveaway stuff into that duffel bag, and it's just to transport downstairs like I did. Change it into a plastic bag, obviously, so I could keep the duffel bag, but it was just for that moment. And yeah, I also went through my whole closet with the dresses and sweatshirts. I also reorganized it because some of the stuff was misplaced. So yeah, like as you can tell, my whole room was very disorganized, so I had to fix it up. Hello, it's this afternoon, and after taking a few hours break, I'm decided to come back, and I just cleaned up a little bit of the clothes that were on the floor. I moved them outside, and now I'm ready to tackle the closet. I'm gonna start the top to the bottom, so I'm gonna do the very top, which should have blankets and stuff, but it's very disorganized, and I feel like if I just reorganize it, it would just fit more things and I could put more stuff up there. And then I'm gonna move on to that like little rack right there. You see that rack? Yeah. And then I'm gonna move on to the bottom, which has a bunch of boxes and stuff, and I can go through each box to like see what I want and don't want anymore, and again reorganize it so I have more space. And then after that, I'm going to take another break, and then I'm going to find stuff in my room that could be put in the closet and put those in there. So yes, stay tuned and enjoy. Okay, so now I'm actually like getting everything else out of my closet, like, you know, up there have sheets and board games and other like maybe glassware or old shoes and a paint can. So I just first reorganized the board games, and then I put the blankets up there, refolded everything and stuff, because, you know, the way it was just shoved up there was taking up so much space. And then that black bag has some costumes in it, and yeah, those are some like kind of cringe 2020 type of headgear or earmuffs, so I gave those away because yeah, I'm not wearing that. And yeah, here I am just reorganizing stuff at the bottom, some old trinkets that I don't really use, and maybe some seasonal items. And yeah, the thing I just broke was something my ex made me, so like I'm not keeping that anymore because it was just like beaded stuff that you can find at any store, you know. Sorry if that sounds bad. And yes, that was my Blythe doll you saw for a brief moment. I found a doll dress that fit her, so I was kind of happy about that. Hey everyone, it's day 3. This definitely should be the final day, like, fingers crossed. I really just need to clean up the floor because the floor is a mess. The closet's cleared, I could finally close it today, and yeah, it's literally just the floor, whatever's remaining. My knee is kind of sore because I guess I've been overworking it. Like, it feels like there's a bubble inside, so I'm gonna have to still bend down and pick things up, so hopefully my knee's okay, but I'm gonna ice it after, and then I won't be needing to bend down as much anymore once I'm done clearing this room out. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so I've made a lot of progress. There's like a lot of empty space now, and I'm like really relieved, but my knees hurt so much worse. But I will take a nap because I'm tired, and then I'm gonna ice my knees for like 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back, do the rest of this, clear the rest of the floor, obviously sweep it because there's a lot of dust everywhere, and I will show you the dust pile. And yeah, we'll see how long the video gets. If it's not too long, I will also clean up the like counter spaces. You know, they're not counters, but surfaces that are obviously disorganized. Or I'll make that a separate video. So we'll see.